Eugenics, why it's wrong. I still can't really believe we need to do this, but it seems that we do. So this is lesson 5. Welcome, class is in session. And if you need to catch up, please go check the playlist and we will wait right here. As we saw in previous classes, eugenics is a whole stack of wrongs, and we've already described some of the moral wrongs that eugenicists committed. But they were also scientifically wrong in different ways at the same time. One of the ways in which they were scientifically wrong is that they really misunderstood how evolution works, because they thought that evolution made us inevitably better. And that's not how it works. It just makes us more fit to our environment. And that's not the same as better in any of the other senses of the word. And because they thought evolution made us better, they thought that anything that we did to help people survive who needed the help of others to survive was going to be dangerous and weaken our species. Well, in those days, they spoke of weakening races. The idea was because we help people to live who would die without the help of a human community, it means that we are weakening our stock. And that is dangerous. They basically thought empathy was dangerous. And if this sounds familiar, maybe it's one more reason to follow this class. Because as it turns out, all humans need the help of other humans to survive. This is a characteristic of our species, a characteristic which was selected for by natural selection. This is how evolution works. Empathy, in other words, is not dangerous from an evolutionary standpoint. Empathy is a product of evolution. But eugenicists were very concerned about it, and so they thought that in order to get evolution back on track, because they thought we risked putting it out of whack with our empathy, altruism, collaboration, everything that makes us human, basically, they thought the only remedy was to limit the right to reproduce in order to counteract that effect. When in fact, in evolutionary terms, empathy is not dangerous. Empathy simply is, and arguably is one of the most wondrous products of 4 billion years of evolution. Yeah.